Hello, welcome to Crochet Smash. In today's video, we are going to make a sweet puff stitch flower. Then we are going to add some more stitches and going to make it into an egg-shaped motif. This will be perfect for the crochet Easter decorations. And you can use your scrap yarns to make these ones. It can be a good handmade touch to any gifts you are planning to give. Maybe you can use it as a gift tag or some Easter garland. So let us begin. Start making a magic circle. I'm using Bernat yarn. Then I'm going to make a chain 2. This Bernat premium yarn. Chain 2. Then we are going to make the puff stitch. As if we are going to make a double crochet, we yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, again one more time, and one more time. Now we are going to yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook, then chain one puff stitch is made. We are going to make 6 puff stitches on the magic circle. 2, 3, 4th, 5th, and this is 6th. Now tighten the magic circle. Now I can bring it to the top of the chain 2, and I'm going to cut the yarn. Now I'm going to attach my second color. I will put this one, chain 2. We are going to make 2 puff stitches in each of the chain 1 spaces. Chain 1, make 1 more puff stitch in the same chain 1 space. So at the end of this round, we are going to have 12 puff stitches. I'm going to work on top of the yarn tails. One, two, three, 4. This is the 5th one. Sixth one. Seven, 8. 7 and 8 is done. Then chain 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. We're done this round. Join with the slip stitch, and we are going to cut the yarn, lock this one in place. Now we are going to attach the white yarn to create the beautiful egg motif. So I'm going to attach my white yarn in here and chain 2. Then I'm going to make 1 half double crochet and a single crochet in the same space. Now we are going to the next space between the puff stitches, and we are going to make 3 single crochet. 1 2 3, and in the next space we are going to make 2 single crochet. Again we are going to make 3 single crochet here, and the next is 2 single crochet. We are going to make another 3 single crochet in the next space. Now we are going to make 2 half double crochet. Then we are going to do 3 half double crochet in the next space, and we are going to increase the height by doing 3 double crochet. Then I'm going to put 5 trebles in the next space. 1 2 3 4, and the 5th one. Now we are going to decrease the height, so we are going to do 3 double crochet. And we are going to make 3 necessary 3 2 half double crochet. Let's try 2 half double crochet. And we are attaching to the top of the chain 2. And I'm going to, I can stop here, or I can do a round of single crochet. Chain 1, single crochet, when we come to the trebles, 1 2 3. On the third one I am going to make a 3 single crochet. All the rest it is like a 1 single crochet on each stitch. You can block it if you like it. This is I made using the acrylic yarn, so I'll be doing the steam blocking. If you are doing using the cotton, then you can do wet blocking. Hope you like my egg pattern, Easter egg pattern. If you like the pattern, please share it with your friends or family who likes to do crochet. Please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on the patterns. Be See you next time with the next pattern. Till then, bye bye.